Hi guys, welcome back. Thanks so much for joining in. Today I have some really cool organization ideas to share with you guys. If you're new here, my name is Angel. I share everything lifestyle, so if you would love to become part of the family, be sure to click that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. So let's jump right in. I love hiding my remotes in these books that serve as storage as well, so it's like hidden storage. I think it's so cute, and it's such a great way to store and hide your remotes at the same time. I have a really cool hat for my light bulbs I like to use. I use these party cups, and I put the party cups in a Tupperware bowl, and I put the light bulbs inside the cup because it serves as a way to keep them from breaking, and it's just great to keep them separate. And I also just like to label them by the different bulb watts with my DIY chalk labels. Another organization hack I really love to use is using kitchen jars in my bathroom and keeping my feminine products in these. That way your bathroom still can be really nice and clean and cute, and you still have quick access to all of your feminine products. And you can find these jars again in the kitchen aisle at most department stores. For any products I have in this video, I will try to link whatever I can below if I can find a link for it. Slim carts is a great way to hide your laundry items and have quick access to them by your wash machine. I found this cart on Amazon and I love it. I love it, love it, love it. It serves great purposes and it's great for storing many things, and it's hidden, so you can push it deep between your washer and dryer and you can't even tell it's there until you walk up on it. Another organization hack you can do is use a napkin holder and store all of your kitchen spices in it. It's clear so you can see how many spices you have left, and it's just, you know, a way to store your spice packages. I also really like to put my Epsom salt in really cute jars. This is a milk jar I'm using. I kind of change up every year what I put it in, but milk jar serves as a great way to have your Epsom salt, and you can just pour it out for your baths when you need it, and it's just really nice to have in your bathroom. You can also store your batteries in any type of utility box, a chew box as well. It's great for just keeping your different size batteries separated. I found this really cool hat that I really love, and that's keeping dry your sheets in a clear acrylic tissue box. That way you can see how many you have left when you need to refill it, and it's just really cute to have in your laundry room and doesn't take away from your decor. For all of you with dogs, a great way to keep your dog gear by your door, so when you're ready to walk your dog, is to find a really cute storage box and put anywhere in your foyer or by your front door or back door, and put all of your dog gear in it. That way it's nice and hidden, organized, but yet cute. You're not messing with your decor and it's not hanging on a wall or anywhere. You can just hide it and keep it tucked away. Developing a great organization system for your bottles is awesome when you have a baby, because that way you don't have to sift through lots and lots of different things. You can find what you're looking for when you need it, and I have all of my bottles separated into different acrylic storage. I love the acrylic because you can see how many's left if something needs to get cleaned, but I love the acrylic bins because you can see, you know, what you have, and as well as like the different types of bottles, keep them all separated so when you need a certain bottle you can find it. I also keep my nipples in these acrylic boxes and bins as well, the different sizes, so you can, you know, again, see how many you have left. Developing also a little shipping station is great because everything is in one place, and I have this little triple folder that I put all my stamps and my labels in, and it just serves really great when you're trying to ship things and everything's there together. And the last thing I'm going to mention is having you a mail center. Mail centers come in handy. I got this over the door mail center, and I put my different types of mail in each, like things I need to cancel or bills I need to pay. Those things I keep in this little over the door hack, and I love it. If you enjoyed, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.